Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you on how to sign off for Chase Bank. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process on how to do it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. Now on your URL bar, search for chase.com and then press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directed to this type of interface on your screen. Now in order to sign up for your Chase Bank account, tap on this Not Enrolled Sign Up Now link. And there it will ask you to tell them more about you. Now choose the bank account that you want to access online and there type in your account or account card or application number and then type in your social security number here. And if you don't have SSN or social security number, you can tap on this link and then create your username for your Chase Bank account. And once you fill all the details correctly, tap on next button. And once you tap on next button, it will ask you to create a new password for your Chase Bank account. And once you created a password for your Chase Bank account, you will successfully sign up for your Chase Bank account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to sign up for Chase Bank account. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.